Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Trinity Stamps. I'm going to share with you this clean and simple card showcasing the Succulent banner stamp set. So I recently lost my crafting mojo lately and I just wasn't getting inspired. When this happens, I just stop everything and start decorating my studio, and sometimes when I do this, I would get my mojo back just by looking at all the pretty things. So I got that little succulent plant, and that's where I got my inspiration today. I also wanted to change the aesthetics while I'm filming videos, because who wants to stare at someone coloring when the background is not pleasing, right? I love candles and fairy lights, so I decided to change my aesthetics today and create a relaxing atmosphere for you guys so that you wouldn't be too bored just watching me color. Please let me know if you like this setup by leaving a comment down below so I know what to do for you guys next time. I am only going to use 2 products from Trinity, and I really love how this card turned out. So this is the Succulent banner stamp set, and it features a lot of sentiments that you can use for your card, and this is pretty much like a just because sort of card, and I really love how this one turned out. So that is the stamp set. It's a 4x6, and I'm also going to use this bubble blower flat back bead mix. This is one of my favorites right now because it just gives this subtle color for your cards, and I really love that. I'm also going to use my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers today to color the images. To begin, I have this 80-pound Nina Solar White cardstock, and it is cut down to A2 size. I also have that border die from my stash that I will use to create that nice scallop border. Using my Misty stamping tool, I am going to stamp the focal image on my cardstock here using some Finesse by Spectrum Noir alcohol proof dye ink. And as you notice there, I was just rubbing my fingers on the stamp because this was my first time using the stamp set and I wanted to get some crisp stamping image. And I also changed the way I stamp now using my stamping tool. I was just doing that pouncing motion instead of doing that bad CPR where you put your whole hand on top of the stamp, and you just get a better crisp image when you just do a pouncing motion. So I'm going to put some music on now for you guys while I'm coloring, and I will be back after the coloring is done. So this is my clean and simple card for you today. I hope you like the coloring and you got relaxed and enjoyed the music and my aesthetic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'd be so grateful if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you for stopping by and happy crafting!